to delete solicited on Messenger. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can delete solicited people on Messenger. So for that, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your Messenger app, and then you have to go for your Messenger app. So here on the Messenger app, you can see the solicited people on the search button. So here you can see the solicited people on the search button. So if you want to delete the solicited people on your Messenger, you have to go for the three bar icon which is on the top left and go for the setting icon. So here you have to scroll down and go for the privacy and safety. So there is no option to delete solicited people on Instagram, but you can try this. You have to go for the hidden contact option. After that, you have to go for the plus icon which is on the top right. Go for that. And here you can tap on the solicited people, or you can search the people so that you want to remove from your solicited icon. Go for that and go for the hide contact. So from this process, you can successfully delete your solicited contact on your Messenger. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.